Hello, this case review demonstrates the storm target approach for the November 25th, 2023 snowstorm across south central Kansas. This video will illustrate how storm target essentially targets storm hazards to provide greater precision and timeliness than the information provided in government watches and warnings, supporting better decisions to take protective action when in imminent danger and not to do so when not yet in danger. For this case, we'll focus on the eastern half of the Wichita-Hutchinson, Kansas TV viewing area, shown in the white square on the left image, which contains most of the population in this market. This is the only winter storm case in this video series. Heavy snowfall was forecast by the Warning Prediction Center for November 25th across south central and east central Kansas. The local Weather Service office issued a winter storm warning for south central into northeast Kansas the afternoon prior to the event for forecast snowfall amounts of 4 to 7 inches. The left image shows the warning text product, which indicated the when as being from 3 a.m. Saturday until late Saturday night. One might get a sense that early morning Saturday travel could be messy with snowfall. However, available guidance suggested little in the way of impacts until mid-morning or later on Saturday. Thus, as suggested by the 3 a.m. chat message shown, a monitor graphic could be designed that indicated no impacts for several hours. The monitor step is supposed to focus on the next 2 to 4 hour period. The latest high-resolution model guidance pointed to accumulating snow developing over southwest Kansas toward 14Z or 9 a.m., then spreading east and northeast through 18Z with heavier snow by midday across south central Kansas. Between 10 and 12Z, satellite imagery showed rapid development of cloudiness across southwest Kansas, and radar showed increasing coverage of light to moderate snow there. The event had begun in southwest Kansas. By 10Z or 5 a.m., a chat message would suggest a monitor area covering southwest Kansas eastward to just west of Wichita for the development of accumulating snow through 8 a.m., made available prior to the formation of accumulating snow. Between 12 and 14Z, radar showed expansion of moderate to heavy snow across areas west of Wichita, Hutchinson, and Salina. Latest guidance suggested continued eastward expansion of accumulating snow through midday. Note the chat message indicating the need for prepare and action areas soon. At 8 a.m. or 13Z, we would have monitor, prepare, and action areas as shown here. The warning only describes generic information over the entire warning area, whereas different threat information is provided in the monitor, prepare, and action graphics. Conditions would be just fine for travel over the next few hours across the monitor area, but would quickly deteriorate across the action area. Accumulating snow continued spreading eastward between 14 and 16Z. As indicated in the chat message, the recommendation would be to shift the prepare area eastward and expand the action area eastward across Salina and Wichita, while noting a sharp cutoff in impacts where the rain-snow line existed just southeast of Wichita. As noted in the chat message, some focus on whether we see a northeast to southwest oriented snow correction. As noted in the chat message, there's some focus on whether we see northeast to southwest oriented heavy snow bands that set up over south central Kansas, for which the environment supported and radar started to show by 16Z. Chat messages by noon showed concern about heavy snow bands that would be stationary over south central Kansas that could yield greater than forecast snow accumulations in the 6 to 12 inch range. Multiple bands of heavy snow are noted on radar imagery. We would likely annotate the action area graphic with focus on where the heaviest snow would occur during the day. Unlike the warning graphic, the action graphic highlighted where the heaviest snowfall would occur. By 2 p.m. it was appearing that some locations could get up to a foot of snow, an impressive storm for so early in the season. The rain-snow line was also slowly shifting southeast, which would continue through the afternoon. At 22Z, radar was still showing northeast to southwest oriented heavy snow bands, with the yellow reflectivity color suggesting up to 2 inch per hour snowfall rates. Note the chat messages, which by 5 p.m. were starting to focus on gradual west to east clearing. A few sites reported record snowfall for this event. The snowfall map on the left revealed a large swath of 6 to 10 inch snowfalls, with a few areas getting a foot or more. Note that this area of heavy snow did not continue northeast over Missouri. The ingredients that set up this event diminished or shifted south to Oklahoma during the evening, rather than shifting downstream over Missouri. Did you see how the monitor, prepare, and action steps provided more accurate and timely impact information than what official warning products provided? Please refer to the initiative's website at storm-target.com to review more case demos in this video series. Thank you.